Creating a payment voucher in Tally Prime is a common accounting task for recording payments made to suppliers, vendors, or any other parties. The steps to create a payment voucher in Tally Prime are quite straightforward. Open Tally Prime and select the company you want to work with. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Accounting Vouchers. Select Payment Voucher, often represented by F5 or another key, depending on the keyboard shortcuts configured. Enter the date of the payment transaction. Choose the cash bank account. Time. Select the appropriate cash or bank account from which the payment will be made. Enter the party's ledger. Times. Choose the ledger of the party or supplier to whom the payment is being made. You can either select an existing ledger or create a new one if it doesn't exist in the ledger master. Enter the amount of the payment. Add any narration if needed, providing a brief description or reason for the payment. Select the payment method. Times. Choose the payment method such as check, cash, NEFT, etc. If you're making the payment using a check, provide the relevant details like the check number, date, and other information. Verify all the details you have entered. Save the voucher by pressing Ctrl+A or using the appropriate Save button.